welcome back to my channel, Clary V, mummy of 3. Hello if you're returning and welcome if you're new. Today we're up bright and early and out of the house because we are going to Goodwood Breakfast Club Supercar Sunday. So we're on our way there now and I think everyone is looking forward to going, aren't you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at you, Lily, looking all cool. So come with us and see what cars we see today. Down this particular road it was quite bumpy or hilly, so as what we call tummy hills, making everyone scream and making it difficult to hold the camera steady. The drive to Goodwood has some really lovely scenery. You go through a couple of old towns that are very pretty, but we were particularly taken with the trees that we saw along the way. Both me and Gareth really liked them, so it was an enjoyable drive down there. Right, we're here now. We're just about to come into the entrance of the car park. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Mummy.
You're going to see some cool cars, kids.
Yeah. This place doesn't look familiar.
Right, we're here, so we're going to go in now and go and see some cool supercars. Yeah, let's go find the toilet first. Right, first stop is toilets as usual with the kids, so we're going to go find those and then we're going to go meet up with our friends who are here. You're tired? Do you want to sit in the buggy? Okay. We saw a very well-known YouTuber called Shmi here as well. Shout out to Shmi150, my son and my husband are fans of yours. My kids are actually pretty miserable, which makes us wonder why we try and bring them to do nice things. And doesn't bode that well for Speedfest when we go in June because Zach is just grumpy. Zach's mood did improve after he realised that it was just a car show. He was expecting it to be more like Speedfest, which we will be going to in June. But once he realised what it was, his mood did improve considerably and he did actually have a very nice morning out. So much of parenting is just managing expectations, isn't it? You just don't realise how much you have to do that with your kids. And also managing our expectations with how we think they're going to be when we go out on a day out. You can't expect it to always be smooth and free-flowing with children because they are going to have hiccups, aren't they? They are, after all, only children. The kids really enjoyed being able to run on the grass and have a little bit of freedom when we got to the bits where it wasn't quite so busy.
There were so many lovely cars there. It was really lovely to see them all. It is just nice to look at really nice shiny cars. And we got so lucky with the weather. It tried to rain towards the end, but it was actually honestly these boys. And it was just nice to be out in the fresh air, letting the kids run free and just having a nice little wander on a Sunday morning. Lily very much enjoyed playing with her umbrella. However, when there are hundreds of very expensive cars around, we had to keep her firmly away from them with the umbrella. That was a little bit nerve-wracking at times, but it was okay. We managed to keep it under control.
Doing, Charlie? So we've looked at the cars on the track. Now we're going over to the paddock. It's actually been really nice weather, so we've really been lucky.
Apparently this was a rare car and it's worth £1 million. I thought this one was particularly nice.
All of these cars in Wonder.
You have to work hard. You work very hard, don't you?
Yeah, I have to work at school. I have to work at
To work very hard. It's all descending into chaos really. Lily's having a temper tantrum because she's been told off because she's naughty. Charlie is doing the same, but he hit me. I think we're going to have to take them home soon because they are getting tired. So we're on our way home now from the Supercar Sunday at Goodwood. Everyone had a really nice time, but we are all really tired now because we had such an early morning. So we've got a couple of errands to run, and then I think hopefully we'll have time. We'll pop to Costco and treat the kids to a bit of lunch and ice cream. And then Charlie has a birthday party this afternoon. We're at Costco now, so we're going to go and get some lunch and some ice cream. I think everybody's decided what they want already because they've been asking when we're going, when are we going to get there. We've had a couple of errands to run on our way back, and it did feel like a really long journey on the way home. We're all exhausted. We just need to get some food.
Everyone was very happy to get some food in their bellies because we were very hungry after a morning walking around and a very, very early breakfast.
Okay, so we've all had a bit of lunch at Costco. We are on our way home now. We are all super, super tired, and just I think we all can't wait for bedtime later. But I hope that you have enjoyed this vlog. We've had a really nice morning, even though we are tired now. And if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up and think about subscribing to my channel. and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.